If you can risk the false, all the falsities, if you can risk, truth can be yours. If you risk the false, you gain the truth. It's worth it. It is worth, you are risking nothing, gaining all. Risk the falsities. In the self-introspection, this is an experiment of risking or a discovering, risking in discovering the boredom. Discovering the boredom is the great discovery, because boredom is a common problem. Discovering boredom, discovery of the boredom is the great discovery. First step, know that you are bored. Know one who is feeling bored. Knowing that, realizing that I am bored, I am feeling bored, that knowing is the great beginning. Because man is the only animal who feels boredom. Have you seen any animal bored? Buffalo bored, dog bored, or donkeys bored? No. Only human, only man. Man is the only animal who is feeling boredom. Boredom simply means the way you live, you are living is wrong. The way you are living is wrong. That is the meaning of boredom. It means that the way is wrong. This can be a greatest event or the greatest discovery if you start doing it. Greatest discovery, because you will understand three things. One, I am bored, realizing that I am bored and something needs to be done for it. And the third is, some transformation is needed. You don't feel bad that you are feeling bored. There's nothing bad. It's good. It's a good sign. It's a good start. It's a good auspicious start. Don't stop it there. Ask this question again and again. Why does one feels bored? Why one does get bored? Why? You have been living in the dead pattern given to you by others. Renounce those patterns. Come out of those patterns. Start on your own. It's not a question of money, it's not a question of power, prestige. It's a question of what you really want to do, irrespective of the result. Your boredom really disappears. You must be following some ideas given by others, or you must be doing only right thing, conditioning yourself, seeing only the opposite of bad, or you must be doing everything in a mechanical way, habitual, only by practice, for the sake of doing it. These are the foundation for your boredom. The whole humanity is bored because a person, he would have been a great priest, is a doctor. A person who would have been a politician is an actor. A person who would have been a great poet is a businessman. everybody or somewhere else. Nobody is where they should be, where he should be. One has to risk to come out of that boredom. One has to risk. One has to know what you really want in life. The moment when you are ready to risk, the boredom will disappear.